Welcome back to the deep dive. So today we are looking at a product that promises the world. It's called the EpiCooler.
Right. It's marketed as this all-in-one, no-installation AC and heater.
A plug-and-play solution for perfect temperatures all year. I mean, that sounds a little too good to be true.
It probably is. And our mission here is to figure out why by drilling down into a single source, a really detailed YouTube review from ScamFinder.
Yeah, they really tear it apart. The initial appeal is obvious, instant comfort, zero setup. But right away, the source points out some huge red flags.
Oh, yeah. It starts with the classic marketing tactics. They hit you with this huge 60% limited time discount.
And they pair that with this enormous claim that it's the United States #1 rated portable AC.
It's all designed to create FOMO, fear of missing out, make you act before you think.
And the source, they looked for proof of that #1 rating, didn't they? And they found.
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. No awards, no certifications, not a single piece of evidence.
So the discount is just there to create fake urgency for a completely fabricated status.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And then they try to add a layer of authority on top of it. They claim it's endorsed by a licensed HVAC technician, a James Turner.
Okay, and I'm guessing James Turner is a bit of a ghost.
A total ghost. ScamFinder couldn't verify he exists, let alone that he endorses this product. They probably just invented a trustworthy sounding name.
That's incredible. Okay, so that's the marketing. Let's shift to the tech itself. They throw out these really specific percentages.
Yes. The 91%, 94%, 92%.
What are those even supposed to mean?
Well, they're meant to confuse you into thinking it's based on science. But real heating or cooling products list actual technical specs, BTUs, power consumption.
Not just random, unsourced numbers.
Precisely. If you see stats like that with no context, it's a huge sign they're just made up.
And the performance they claim is just wild. Dual cooling and heating, fine, but it can cool a 51 square meter area.
Yeah, that's where the physics just completely falls apart. 51 square meters is a big space, like a very large living room.
Right.
And a tiny plug-in box with no exhaust hose to vent the hot air. It simply cannot cool a room that size. The source confirms it. It's a massive technical exaggeration.
Okay, so the final nail in the coffin, according to the review, is all about social proof, or the lack of it.
Right. If you look on the company's own website, the reviews are, of course, perfect, glowing, 5 stars everywhere.
But that's their own site. What about independent platforms?
That's the thing. ScamFinder looked on places like Trustpilot, and they found silence. 0 reviews.
For the #1 rated AC in the country, that makes no sense.
It makes no sense at all. You'd expect thousands of reviews, good and bad. The absence suggests the product is either untested or just isn't selling.
So wrapping this all up, the verdict from our source is pretty cut and dry.
Yeah, it doesn't seem trustworthy. And the key takeaways for you, the listener, are these red flags, the exaggerated claims, the unverified expert.
The unrealistic performance numbers and the total lack of independent reviews.
These are the classic signs you need to watch out for.
So the recommendation is pretty clear. Stay away and maybe opt for a portable AC from a brand you've actually heard of.
One that lists real, verifiable technical specs. And, I'll leave you with a final thought on this.
Let's hear it.
Given how easy it is to just invent an expert and some official-looking percentages for a product like this, what other claims are you seeing this week? Think about it. From diet pills to cleaning gadgets, that might require the same level of scrutiny, especially the next time a limited-time 60% discount pops up on your screen.